Hi everybody, Paul here again. I want to show you how to replace the light bulb that illuminates these different selector symbols by the gear shift lever on your vehicle. The bulb in this vehicle recently failed. The way to do this will be a little different on each vehicle, but it's basically pretty straightforward. You simply need to remove various pieces of trim around the gear shift lever to gain access to the bulb. So let's go ahead and get started. First, look for any screw heads and then look for gaps which separate the different trim pieces. Remove any visible screws first and then gently pry on individual trim pieces. Take your time and be careful not to mar or scratch the trim pieces as you remove them. Always keep in mind that the bulb is going to be located in this area right here. So here's our symbols, and here's our wire right here. And you can see the wire goes up into this plastic piece right here. That will turn clockwise, and then that piece will pull out holding the bulb. Well, here's our piece here. I'm going to turn that clockwise. And there, it just dropped out. And there it is right there. So here's the packaging for the new bulb. The bulb is right here. I highly recommend when you replace one of these bulbs, or in fact any bulb in the dashboard area, that you get a genuine OEM so that it lasts as long as possible. So the bulb will just pull straight out. And there it is. So just be aware that when you remove the old bulb, a lot of times it'll have a green cover over it. So just remove that cover and put it on the new bulb before installing the new bulb. So the green cover has now been put on the new bulb, and now the new bulb is ready to be put back in. Then go ahead and reinstall the new bulb back into the socket. Make sure you push it in firmly. Next, turn your lights on to make sure the bulb is working. Next, insert it to the opening and push it up in until you feel it seat firmly, and then turn it counterclockwise to lock it in place. There we go. And then carefully reinstall your cover or trim pieces, and you're done. And as you can see, it's all nice and bright and working again. I hope you found this helpful. And if you like this video, please hit the like button below, share it with your friends, and please be sure to subscribe. God bless you and have a great day. Bye for now. And while you guys are working on your cars, I'll be trying to set a new world record standing on my hat.